Today I'll be staying at msocial Hotel, which is along the Singapore River. It's a loft room which I've booked for 3 days, 2 nights. What are things available beside this hotel, and how far are you from the nearest malls and stuff like that? So if you're interested and you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe down below and also turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss a single video whenever I upload. And let's go on with the video. Now I'm at level 5, which is the facilities room and the swimming pool and the gym, which you can see over at the back. Let me go check out one of the meeting rooms. This is one of the meeting rooms. It smells really nice, eh? I think it's one of the room for like perfume meetings because I saw a lot of perfume and all those like mixing stuff like all out inside the room. So let's go check out the swimming pool and the gym. Oh, looks good, right? The swimming pool. Oh, this is the swimming pool. Over there, you can just lay down over there and soak inside the swimming pool, and you can see the very nice scenery, and you can just stay here and chill. But right now I think it's raining, so there's not much people over here also. And there's a bar over here. Right over here is the gym. There's quite a lot of equipment over here, like the treadmill, those stepping on dumbbell. I'm not sure. Oh, the dual adjustable pulley. Not bad for the gym, right? Over here they have like, here is the two facilities that they have over here, like the swimming pool and the gym. And there's also a restaurant which is down at the bottom level. They are mostly the Japanese and the Western food, but I do see some non-familiar cuisine over there also. And you all can go over and check it out over there. And there's a lot of different kind of restaurant just somewhere beside here, and it's very near. If you are gonna go there for a meal, just at the side of the gym is the laundry area. You fear not, if you want to wash some of the clothes, you can just wash it over here. I'll be staying at 337, which is on the right. 337 left. Still be my room. They have quite a nice view over here, right? Where you can see the Singapore River over here, and there's a PCN over there, where the evening will be really packed with people who are cycling and jogging and doing some exercise. Let me show you my room. (337). This is the card key provided at the msocial, and this is how it looks at the inside. And there's two cards which is black, and the internet wireless is all not locked, so you can just access it just by clicking onto the wireless LAN, and you can just get into the internet access. So when you enter, the first thing that you see on the left is where you place your card key, and there's a open concept wardrobe where you have there's two rope for you and a few hangers, and there's also a light. If you all can see over there, there's a light. There's two usable sandals over here. So on your right side is your basin, and the water that's flowing out of here is all drinkable water, and you can use it to boil some hot water for your coffee or your tea. There's a kettle over here, and also there's a capsule making machine. So I will get to it later on. So the first thing over here on the right side of your basin is, right now, maybe due to this situation that's going on right now, they have a alcohol wipe, there's a sanitizer, there's a mask, face soap, 2 cup, there's a body lotion, so tissue, this is a shower cap, vanity kit where there's a few earbuds. This is a bit rough. Oh, it's a nail filer. I think it's for you to remove your makeup. So this is a sanitary bag. 2 sets of toothbrush and toothpaste. Let's get up here. There's some oldies cup over here which is made of porcelain. There's a capsule coffee machine. You just have to fill in the water over here, put your coffee capsule over here, close it up, and you'll get a coffee. So over here, you only have 2 types of coffee, the purple one and the greyish one. Should I say greyish? It looked a bit like blue. So it's blue. So the purple one is the Arpego coffee, which is the intense and cream from South and Central American Arabics. So the intensity is 9. The other one is the Fortiso Lungo, which is the rich and full-bodied Indian Malabar Arabics and Latin American Arabics, which is the intense 8. So for these, the last one, which is the Vivelto Lungo Decaffeinato, which is the complex and balanced one, the intense is 4. This one, you need to specially request, then you can get it. If you are not a coffee drinker, no worries, you still got some tea over here. They have the Yunnan Pu'er, the Uji Sencha, the English breakfast, 2 mixer with some sugar. So right below, this is your see-through fridge where they will provide 2 plain water every day. Too bad they don't have any ice. I was hoping they'll have some ice. Yeah, most of the hotel doesn't have ice for your fridge. Hey, I think they can pull on the bottom. Oh, so here is your laundry. This one cannot. What's this? Oh, hair dryer and a trimming plug. Here's your number lock. Nothing. A nice light setting. So over here is the place where you gather. This is your work table, where you can just scan the QR code over here and you can order takeaway online. So do take note, if you are a smoker, you will be fined $20 if you are caught smoking over here. There's a pen and note, controller, telephone. Over here, there's a external television, and there's a external lamp over here also, with a wooden stool, chair, and a leather sofa. Quite nice. Not bad. Yeah, I haven't shown all the bathroom, right? Wait. So it's on the right side of your door when you enter. So this is the bathroom. A bit small. Here's your showering area. It's a bit small. See, I stretch my both arms. This is the entire length of your bathroom. So you just imagine how small is this stuff. Over here they provide the body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. You can adjust the temperature over here. 2 types of shower. One is the handheld one, and another one is on the top. There's 1 hanger over here, 2 towels, because this is a 2-pax room. That's why they provide everything in pair. So now let me show you the level 2, which is my bed. So let's go. So on the side, this light is the light over here You can control by pressing. You can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. There's a night light. Oh, it's the one over here. And this one's a study light. Oh, so literally all this light over here, you can control the lights that are over there. So you don't have to go down just to close the light. You can just close it over here. This is my bed. It's a queen size one. Let me show you how big is this bed. There's one full row for 2 packs. And you have 2 pillows for each person. This bed is a bit kind of like it's more towards the hard type bed. So if you are someone who like those like very soft one, very springy one, this bed might not suit you. It's okay. So for the pillow, the second one over here is really soft. So this one is a bit harder one, like those. I would say it's a cushion pillow. It's a bit harder. For me, I don't like those very soft one like this one. So I might need to stack both of the pillow to be able to sleep tonight. Now I'm going to share with you all my personal opinion. I think, although this room is a loft room, which is 2 level, but I personally think that it's a bit small for the price I spent over here. I personally think that the washroom is I hear the ring. Breakfast is here, breakfast is here. Wow, the food looks good. There's fruits, 2 portions of salad. What is this? Oh, croissant. Wow. There's ham, scrambled egg, bread, potato, sausage, and grilled tomato. Wow, looks good. Not bad. What's the second one? Wow, 2 portion. But this one look like omelette. But why I got 2 different type of? But anyway, the food looks very good eh. I think I'll go and get a bath before I start eating. I just done bathing. Did I mention that the shampoo and the body foam might smell a bit like those tonic one? I think I didn't mention that. Also, do take note that all the turner, right, your shower is all metallic. So if your hand is filled with shampoo or body foam, right, it will get very sticky and very hard for you to turn on and turn off the shower. So anyway, breakfast. Now it's 6+ in the morning already, and it's a second day. Oh, I think I will tell you where this place is, right? It's in between Tiong Bahru and Chinatown. So it's very near to go to each side. It's roughly 15 minutes plus, for you to walk there. And if you are going to get any taxi or Gojek or Grab, it will roughly cost you, I took Gojek from Tiong Bahru to here is roughly $5, and I would say it's like roughly 5 minutes plus. It's not too far. It's okay. So yeah, you can consider taking some transport. Singapore is very hot this time during the afternoon. So I wouldn't suggest you to try to walk to any of these two places during the afternoon, because you will sweat like crazy before you reach any of those places. And if you are someone who is scared of dogs, do take note, because this hotel is really near to the PCN. This PCN is just along the river, so there will be a lot of joggers, cyclists, and people who will just bring their dogs out for a walk. So if you are someone who is scared of dogs, just take note of that. So it's from 18 November all the way until 20th of November. So I have a half weekend stay here. Yeah, maybe that's the reason why the price is a bit. So I spent around, the cost is 500 plus. I personally think that is, if you are going to think about the conveniency, how we're going to get our food around here and stuff like that, you most likely you will need a taxi, or you like to walk. And if you are going to get a food, it's either you're going to spend a lot or you're going to get delivery. So the delivery fee around here, last night I bought Shake Shack, cost around like $6 for delivery. So the price is somewhere there. So if you all can gauge by yourself, if you are going to get delivery, you all can just tell me your opinion whether you all think that it's expensive to stay here for 3 days 2 nights for 500 plus. Comment down below and let me know about thoughts. There's 3 types of breakfast for you to choose from. The English breakfast, if I'm not wrong, is nasi lemak, and the last one I forget already. Then I personally choose the English breakfast, and they have the 3 types of eggs for you to choose from: the side, scramble, and ham cheese. After that, there's 4 types of drinks for you to choose from: the black coffee, the white coffee, and the tea, and one more. Last one I can't remember. So my 3 days 2 nights has just ended, and now it's like roughly 11 AM in the morning, and it's time for me to check out. And everything is, I'm really satisfied with it, other than those few that I've mentioned with you all just now. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe down below, and so click on the icon bell so that you won't miss a single video whenever I upload. And I'm mainly doing videos about travels, hotel stays, and food. So that's what you are interested in. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!